benar turang nama nama turang nama nela. Good morning to you.
Eso era sansan chiku mai.
Iya.
Era chiku na kabali chika.
Yeah.
Atu them speaker. Ibe yo them.
Oh, the small fella not present today.
Okay.
He's a bit sick. Something wrong with his throat.
All pass away.
Saya pastor nama pastor itu mana? Kita kan musuh non cil-cilo.
Oh, iya, okay.
Ya, sih malah tapi mana? Tapi karena tayar itu harus screwdriver juga lama.
Right.
Karena turun mana turun mana bisa macam mana kota lalu kalau mata.
Dia salah.
Karena di mana nih ada dalam turun turun
Right.
Nah, nabi dan dapat.
Mana bagi me kalau marau smile.
Iya.
Put your smile on your face.
Marau, iya.
Put your smile on your nose.
Iya.
Put your smile on your eyes.
Iya.
Make us smile chico.
Iya.
You're gonna get rid of nam friend.
Iya.
You're gonna get marau tiki.
Ni ko smell mana nambal mo na bouncy castle.
Yeah, bouncy castle. And a bouncy.
Kita kisum.
Hey, good morning to Drang Night. Meli Netherlem.
Right, turun mo ba?
Warau.
Warau labatimu.
Right. Iyo.
Si ina.
Mi smile na bachim.
Yes, smell labatimu.
Namaga.
Anggona VKFM out Palangi, Kipunjes, new cream biscuits. So green every bite.
Karena to all listeners out there, PG and abroad, we say good morning to each and every one of you.
Right.
We say good morning to our brothers in Marabeli in Singapore.
John Kumar, Engineer Kumar, welcome to the party. This lovely morning.
Tuesday morning today,
Yes.
we are looking forward to the game
Of course.
for the Fiji Sevens team
All right.
out there in the Olympic Games.
Of
The
course.
first game is against Chigori.
Yeah, the first game is against Uruguay.
Yeah.
Uruguay.
And what time?
At 3 a.m. on Thursday morning.
All right, yeah.
So stay tuned.
Yeah.
Also, the second game at 6:30 a.m.
Right.
With the big team, the big America,
Yeah.
the USA.
Yeah.
And also, the third game is with the home ground,
Yeah.
what you call it?
Soso.
Right,
Yeah.
the France,
Yeah. Soil owner.
soil owner,
Yeah.
and 1:50 a.m. on Friday morning. Yeah, soil owner, the game is
Oh,
also.
kemudian mereka harus bekerja.
Kan itu tora.
Okay, please.
Yeah.
The Fiji's game.
Okay, tu bilang Deco, Fiji game Kelo,
Yeah.
Fiji, Uruguay. First game, the 3 a.m. Thursday, Bianzaberi.
Right.
And the three game,
Yeah.
6:30 a.m.
Yeah.
Fiji or America.
Yeah.
Tu bilang Fiji and America support the Fiji team. Fiji or France,
Yeah.
Bosque ground.
The Grand Boss.
Yeah, the ground boss. France ke Paris,
Yeah.
1:50 a.m. Friday morning. Bianzaberi.
Harus ada nih minta satu grup ke sawarin na Paris. Sa Paris. Ano na kami turun kita bela dalam. Ano na kami video na beli. Ha, baru na kada berbeda kan mo di ko.
Right.
So sa parang
Oh, TJ is chilling it.
Oh.
Yeah. I want to say good morning to TJ.
Yeah.
This is Aleo Sena.
So.
This is Sena is kambi. It's very sticky. And if you're riding in the LM49 this morning,
Be careful.
you have to be careful. Because the Sena, even the gear mananga come into the Sena. So very good morning to you, TJ. And I hope you will come and see Babu in the next hour.
Udah kami sosial faran dua.
Right?
May rapaura.
Yeah.
Ano di Bienham.
Uh-huh.
New Zealand na matali ko. Video na beli ko.
Yeah.
Ako di na kami rangon di buli na rewa secondary school.
Big ball
Na rewa baro na paso parade na mga ko.
Alright.
Na rewa kada turagan na lista turagan na ita.
Yeah.
Pio tiko dua.
Ilo si Digari.
So, why sa narusa ano na kalau malami ko kamay na Sydney,
Right.
Australia kung mate bibi peka o meow.
What happened?
That's very true. Very
Oh,
true.
meow.
Yeah.
Oh, what's the meow? The
A
cat.
small guy.
Oh, the fella's name meow.
Yeah. Sama na maano be.
All right.
Harbi na ka go hinantera na matali ko.
Bulunaka.
Carla ni Leo Dimbenga, harbi
Right.
na ka Mary Rosie Ali. Good morning, blessed day.
Blessed day.
Kita kilitale semana
Right.
ojek tabuto
Mhm.
Fiji abisa ina bina turanga
Right.
ngole besar wingravi go dalena tambua salolo mutiani
Good morning.
o
Good
lesi
morning.
dama batake miti
Yeah.
na mataka bina karikua
Yeah.
rusate tabusa
Hey.
era JP 285
Boleh benaka,
oh
boleh
ya
benaka.
bina and our story this morning
Hey, this is one guy in Bonolewu.
okay
No. In Ngau, Matagali.
ya aturang matakali
He's the church guy.
iya
It's like preaching.
iya
What's the name of
Reverend
The Reverend. The
Yeah.
Reverend.
iya
He's the Reverend, the big talatala in one church in Ngau.
iya
And the fella
iya
practice what he preach.
iya right
Plant the food.
right
Big plantation.
Yeah.
Dalo big, cassava big.
iya
Even the bunji.
iya
The,
big
the size of the bunji. Big.
right
Biggest bunji in Ngau
iya
belongs to this Taltala.
wana
Big roro.
pesa bunu tersa juga anak kaya
Yes. He
Jangan
does-
kau besar juga kau bunuh tak
Yeah, he
Yeah.
doesn't let the Lenilot,
iya
what you call the church member,
iya
to
plant this plant
plant this
plant
food.
this
He just plants.
iya
He show everyone the good example
iya
of what he preached.
wana matakali
Big plantation.
iya
And after a few,
second itu ada juga
same time,
iya
after a few years,
Yeah.
the Methodist,
Yeah.
what you call the big church in Fiji,
iya
told him, you have to transplant
iya
to Bonolewu. Yeah, to change the church.
iya iya
This-
Salesi.
Yeah, let's see Bonolewu, and the fellow went to Bonolewu.
iya
Again, the fellow
iya
continuation of the planting.
karena lain nilai ni bangga ada benda kemembah
Right.
right
Every day, planting the talo,
he
tabiok,
continues what he did in now
the mbele, where the all tala stop planting, fella continue.
so
Move the bay.
move the mountain
Move the mountain, man.
iya
Move the mountain.
Yeah.
Bay. Move and fella continue the planting. And the fella
everything yang gonan dalo
Everything.
tapioca
Everything.
bundi China
everything.
okay
And he planned
Mm.
to plant a big because there is tabu there in Bonolewu.
right
Yeah, if they want to eat,
Yeah.
they can come and ask.
right
After 2-3 years, fella planting,
iya
and the fella go to the farm.
iya
The
he notice something
notice something.
iya
All the cassava like this
iya
fall down.
iya
Only the branch there, but the no leaves.
iya iya
What happened?
Yeah.
When the fellow go to the road like this,
iya
no more cassava.
oh saya tengok butuh kau
Mutakodi,
Right,
someone
right.
is stealing the thing.
iya
Tantalo,
Yeah.
the fellas Tantalo finish.
iya
So the fellow praying,
iya
praying.
di tempat ini turang kan
Yes,
Iya.
it belongs to God.
iya
He praying, he pray. After 1 year of praying, fella fast.
iya iya
Fella fasting.
iya
Fasting, praying.
iya
And the fella, all the tala, they work together with the what?
tirara
The tirara. What's the tirara in English?
tirara the king
Tirara
king of the ground
The tirara place.
iya tirara place the king of the ground
The king of the ground.
iya
He works together with the tirara lewu.
iya
So they always go and drink grog together.
iya
Everywhere the tala go,
iya
always go with the tirara.
right
After that, one time the fella doing the masu,
iya
the fella reflecting on the fella's farm,
iya
and one message came to him.
right
Today,
Yeah.
I have to go back.
today is the day
Today is the day when
Yeah.
I go and pull the cassava.
iya
I have to go back
iya
and see who is the one who always pull the
who's the
cassava.
culprit
Who's the culprit? Take
Yeah.
the mbele,
Yeah.
take the bunji,
Yeah.
and take the everything from
Yeah.
my garden.
iya
So one Saturday evening when the fellow came to the village,
Yeah.
the house, put the bundle, put the everything,
iya
fellow went
went
back.
back to the farm Yeah.
Rio,
Yeah.
and then a little bit nighty.
iya
So the fellow went up the hill.
iya
Fellow sat down.
iya
Fellow looked down at the farm.
right
The fellow was looking down like this. The fellow saw the cassava.
iya
Dancing
Dancing.
the cassava.
iya
And the fellow look, but a bit far.
iya
Coming down after the cassava dancing,
Yeah.
Tandalo dancing.
iya
Both of them dancing. Dancing. And after that,
iya
fellow saw them belly to dancing.
Ramone
Ayo. When the belly dancing,
Yeah.
fellow saw one vunji. Fell.
makan tua
Ayo. Oh, when the fellow came close like this,
iya
that the fellow pulling
his friend
his friend
iya
is another cassava patch.
uy
Pull another big wood tabiak. And this Taltala
Satu sarangnya sana.
two sarangnya sana.
Iya.
And the fella look like this.
Iya.
This is the fella's tirara. Yeah, the fella's tirara yang seranga.
He's from Bonolebu.
He's from Bonolebu. The one that you always go to in the village centuries. He's from Bonolebu. And you know, the heart of the Taltala.
Iya.
You know, humble, eh?
Iya.
And
In a soft voice.
In the soft voice.
Yeah.
Is a tirara. Tirara level.
Yeah. Maitao.
Please, all those rubbish, can you just put it nicely on the side of the dalo patch and the cassava patch?
Iya.
And this one, this tirara level.
Iya.
The fellow look back and saw this big
Ano
talatala.
mo kasi sa semua nang Luis.
This was one English.
Iya.
And the fellow look back saw the talatala.
Iya.
And the big tirara said,
In Bonolebu. In Bonolebu dalik.
Tirara,
Yeah.
I'm really sorry.
Iya. Vital.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is in Bonolebu.
We call this.
We call this is the bubu. Bonolebu mami tatudan ko ng muribubu. In Bonolebu we call this is the muribubu. Is the follow the bubu. And the talatala said, oh, that in Bonolebu. Asking in now. That's the stealing. Itu rangan na talatala. Ngo bikito Bonolebu na muribubu. Oy, gor me Bonolebu, bikito mengaw. Gor nang buta ko kanjina.
Ano no may bago turang tahu?
Iya.
Tal lah. Ano no mga gadotin talo singkado kimuliba.
No, tirara ilang sarga. Quando really solid to anyway sila tamua. Rondo kay mata na buno iki na buno iki. True friend.
Ito na bad dia.
No, true friend.
Iya.
Ay so musar to ngani mango tal siro yani.
Iya.
Aba bal na buno tabi waka.
Kingo ekram sa osos.
Nanu mo ko di sala ko na har.
Iya.
Baka ni mango aba bal na buno talo. Siro ni bal sali aba bal na buno bele.
Iya.
Wala ka tala mango sambal na buno buji.
Iya.
Atuno tal. To digo.
Tapat kukubo.
Ray na sarang no. Reda ko na kisu. Quando na kisu na ko ndure ni kan mo ko kisu ndure bay. Quando kisu wa tsare. O mo ko dira le sarang. Tuno bay turana tirale. Nakya na mbenu wala nga menge mbibi na kayasa. Sa asin ni bermoyo trano. Kita wala.
Right.
Ray kimi mo ko ni saray di tal. Itu ko na mo ko. Turana na tal.
Iya.
Gobi kito Bonolebu na dana na muribobo. Tuno tal. Gori Bonolebu na muribobo. Kito menga gor na buta ko kanjina. Namanya usara sa cuma na mata kabila ko. Thank you so much for tuning in.
Ayaw tirara.
Palangi show for all the tirara listening and watching. This song is dedicated to you. Listen to the video fam. That song is dedicated to you. Make sure you do the planting. Don't get from the tata. Don't get from no bobo. And now said, Gori nambuta ko kandina. Thank you, put this so creamy in every bite.
Like, share, patay na.
That's right.
Karena kami si memang tuh nanti ane yang maduata nanti maduata yang kasi mo nem banube.
Yo.
Mika lo stak, gua kurun mundu.
Mika galon bola.
Mika lo kata.
Di mode.